Do you know how beer is brewed? Take note, beer brewing generally involves water, malt, hops, and yeast. The malt is first moistened to promote germination, then the malt is dried and stored in barrel silos. The dried malt is crushed in a grinder and poured into a saccharifier with constant stirring, where the temperature is gradually raised from 45 degrees Celsius to 78 degrees Celsius. At this stage, the natural maltase enzyme converts the starch into sugar, and the rotating rod in the saccharifier with many blades allows for better cutting and even mixing. Once well mixed, it becomes a saccharified mash, from which the wort is extracted. Then the hops are added to the wort, which is then boiled in the boiler for a few hours at a temperature of over 80 degrees Celsius. After boiling, 18 to 40 milligrams of hops are added per liter of wort. After the hops have been thoroughly mixed with the wort, a plate heat exchanger is used to lower the wort temperature to the mid-teens Celsius, which is more favorable for fermentation. Fermentation is categorized as top fermentation or bottom fermentation, and which form is used depends on the type of beer being brewed. Top fermentation is suitable for temperatures between 16 and 24 degrees Celsius, where the fermentation foam collects at the top, and is usually used for stouts and wheat beers. Bottom fermentation, as the name suggests, is where the yeast of the beer ferments at the bottom, and is also known as low-temperature fermentation. Fermentation temperatures are lower, usually between 6 and 14 degrees Celsius, and beer brewed this way has a lower alcohol content and a sour flavor. After the primary fermentation, a secondary fermentation takes place in storage tanks, where the remaining sugars are turned into alcohol, and the beer has a stronger malt flavor. Then a diatomaceous earth filter is used to remove yeast and other impurities, sterilized at high temperatures and canned after a filter press, and it becomes the beer you drink at the dinner table.